is like what time is it now? So it's like 12:51 now in Madeira. Quite dark, obviously. So I'm just approaching Old Town. I'm just approaching Old Town. Just want to see if there's anything going on. So this is Old Town Funchal. As you can see, it's all cleared up because there's no one here. It's past 12 already. So usually these places are normally busy, but you can see how bad COVID has impacted the clubs. So a lot of places cannot afford to open. So normally that place opens up at 11 and shuts at 5. The restaurants close early anyway. They close at 11. So you wouldn't see anyone here. So I'm just walking all the way to the end. I think there's a bar. Okay, that bar is closed as well. All the bars are closed. They close early anyway. Are you closed?
Yeah.
Yeah, so all the bars are closed in Old Town. It's amazing how COVID has really changed most places. Like a few years ago, all these places would be packed up, but due to COVID, it's all dead. So if you come here during the day, there's literally like tables and chairs here, so people are just literally sitting down having lunch or dinner. But now it's all shut. So maybe in a few years time it might pick up, but I don't think they're getting a lot of tourists. I'm not sure if it's because it's still off season at the moment. Oh, look at that. It's quite similar to the Old Town in most places I've been to anyway. Let's see what's here. Yeah, they're all shut. There's still a place open. Yeah, I think they're closing down though. I don't think they're gonna open till 1 o'clock, because it's nearly 1 o'clock now, so I think they're gonna close. Oh, that's a cocktail bar. Oh, it looks like some people are still around though. Let's see. Yeah, I think some bars are still open, so I'm gonna check it out and see. Rock bar, that's still open. Some places are open, but they don't have a lot of customers. Quite eccentric, but there's still some people around. Okay, so there's still some people around. I think people are around, but the actual bar is closed. So this bar, Old Town Bar, is called. When I checked online, it said it opens 24 hours. But I came here this afternoon and it was shut. So I think that's the impact of COVID. So COVID has really impacted most places. A lot of places can't afford to open. That's still open. I was meant to come and have dinner here, but I couldn't. I had so much to do, so I didn't have time. But I was meant to have dinner around this area today, but I mean yesterday, but I couldn't. So let's see what they have on this road, on this very dark road. So I guess COVID is not impacting everyone. So that one is still open, and there's still a lot of people drinking. So some places are still open anyway. So this is it. I think I'm gonna end it here. Let's just say COVID has had an impact on many places here. I think it's gonna take some time before everything goes back to normal. The thing is, they are getting customers, but just very few. It's not as much as they used to have before. Oh, shisha as well. They have shisha here. They're closed. Okay, so I'm gonna have to end it here. I've got to make my way back to the hotel because I've got to get ready to go to the airport. I'll see you guys later.